where will I find a butterscotchy finger pie? Oh, thank you. Whoa! Stay in there. Now to make my selection. Hey, give me a butterscotchy finger pie, you no-good pile of junk. I said I want a butterscotchy finger pie. All right, just give me what you got. No. Oh, please. Oh, why me? Why? Be right back. Fork. Look at this filth. Now clean that fork.
I think it's clean now, Duke.
Still dirty.
I've got it this time. Like this?
Nope.
Okay, enough with the funny. I need to have my sleep. Poor little woodpecker. He has fallen from his nest. Nighty-night, woodpecker. Looks like we're both up, huh? Oh, well, I might as well have a late-night snack. Oh, let's see. There's cheese, and ham, and pickles, and tomatoes, and a little bit of onion. Oh, yoy. I just can't wait to sink my tusks into this sandwich. Oh, but, I don't even remember eating all that stuff. Ooh, I better get some sleep. My mind is going all kerplunky.
Well, hello, breakfast.
Hello? The IRS? I'm being audited? Uh-huh. Oh, no. Oh, and if they see all my food, they'll think I'm rich for sure.
I love a good game of hide and seek.
Amazing! Chilly has won 3 gold medals in one day. And now he's enjoying his 3rd meal at the table of champions.
I did my job. I may be tired, but it's a good kind of tired.
Well, the Antarctic Games may be over, but you can enjoy Mama Dewlap's old-fashioned chocolate all year long. Remember, it's a gold medal treat.
auction. For sale? Say it ain't so, Joe. You can't sell your cart. Oh, where will I go for such delectable dogs? Such terrific tube steaks. Such wondrous wieners.
Well, I don't know. I guess you'll have to settle for Wiener Wallies.
Huh, I'll never eat at Wally's. He's the guy who put the worst in bratwurst. Have you food? Have you any more food? That was a wonderful appetizer, Mr. Walrus.
Appetizer? That was an appetizer?
Yes, I'll be ready for my dinner after I pay you the proper respects.
Ooh, a butterscotchy finger pie.
That's my pie!
This is my
Give me
pie.
that Look, Wally, I gotta have this butterscotchy finger pie. I'll give you $5, $10, $20 for it. This one is mine. Got it?
Yeah, okie dokie, sure. Crazy woodpecker.
Butterscotchy finger pie, here I come. Drink. I need a drink. Wait a minute. I got enough midnight snacks to last all month. Keep 'em coming, fellas. Woohoo! Woohoo!